Class 11, Subject Accountancy, Chapter 1, Lecture 4. Good morning, students. In our last lecture, we have read about the objectives of accountancy. In this lecture, we will read about functions of accountancy. So let's start our topic. Functions of accounting. First one is maintaining complete and systematic record. Means the main functions of accounting is to maintain complete and systematic record of business transactions and post them to ledger and prepare the financial statements such like statement of profit and loss account and balance sheet. So accounting main function is to maintain complete and systematic record by preparing trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet, because by preparing trading account we may get gross profit. By preparing profit and loss account we will get net profit, and by preparing balance sheet we will get asset and liabilities. Fine. So we can easily know the financial soundness of the business by maintaining complete and systematic record. Second one is communicating the financial results to various parties. Beta, we have read earlier also in objectives, its main function, accounting main function is to communicate the information regarding net profit, asset, liabilities to the interested parties. Now whosoever is interested in the business, suppose debtors, creditors, government bodies, and we can say investors. So all these persons have to know about the financial position of a business, how they will be able to get to know about financial position by net profit, asset and liabilities through profit and loss account and balance sheet. Fine. So first point is maintaining complete and systematic record. Second point is to communicate the financial result to various parties. Our next point is protecting the asset of the business. Another function of accounting is to maintain proper record of various assets such like cash in hand, bank balance, debtors, etc. So it enables the management to keep proper control over them. So accounting's function includes protecting the asset of the business. Say it be cash in hand, cash at bank, debtors, stock, etc. Fine. Our next point is providing assistance to management. Accounting helps management by providing timely information in the task of planning, controlling and decision making. So it helps the management to do all these functions, whether it is planning the activities, whether it is controlling the activities, or whether we can say if the management want to make the decision regarding financial soundness of the business, accounting helps the management in doing all this. How? The same point, by preparing all the financial statements like trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet. Fine. Our next point is trusteeship. It means that in case of companies, the management is entrusted with the task of controlling the resource of the enterprises. It means that whatever the resources the enterprise has, it has to fully utilize the resources so that it can use it in planning and as well as in controlling the activities. So the management is expected to act as trustee of the company's funds. Who is in the welfare of the company's funds? The management, first of all, you know. So accounting help them to control the resources properly. Fine. It means trusteeship. Trusteeship means beta the management is interested in controlling the resources of the enterprise. So accounting help them to control the resources properly. Fine. Our sixth point is compliance of legal needs. Under the provision of various laws like Companies Act, Income Tax Act, Goods and Services Tax, that means GST, etc., a business firm has to submit various statements such as annual accounts, income tax, and GST returns. So, to do all this, who help management for the various activities to do it? Accounting perform this function by supplying the information to the government agencies. Who supply the information to the government agencies? Accounting. How it help the management? It help the management by preparing the proper accounts, proper financial statement, so that the parties whosoever is interested in the management, whosoever is interested in the business, can easily get to know about the financial soundness of the business. So it helps to management the compliance of legal needs. Fine. Next one is fixing responsibility. Fixing responsibility means to fix the work of some particular department in the organization. So another function of accounting is to determine the profitability of each department of an enterprise, because it facilitates the fixing of responsibility of each department head. Say it be production department, say it be purchase department, say it be marketing department, or say it be finance department. So fixing responsibility means that accounting helps the management to fix the responsibility of each department head, so that it is very easy to determine the profitability of each department of an enterprise, so that the management can get to know about the profitability or the sources from which they are benefiting the management. Fine, up to the extent it is very easy for the management to do that, to fix responsibility, if we have prepared proper accounts. Fine. So all these points are related to functions of accounting. Your homework is to read all these points and note down in your notebook.